Welcome everyone to another episode on our channel. If you remember last time, we had a chance to see from Present Toys the figure of Lieutenant Vincent Hanna, played by Al Pacino in the movie Heat. I wasn't able to get that figure from Toys Wonderland. It had been sold out, but I was able to get it from eBay from a seller who has a pretty good rating. You can find it in the earlier episode. If you're looking for quality used items, he's probably a good source to go to. I was able, though, to get this figure of Neil McCauley, played by Robert De Niro in Heat, from Toys Wonderland for, get it, $95.33. Of course, that doesn't include shipping and handling, but that is a pittance of what you would pay for a quality figure these days. So we're going to unbox this figure now. Let's see what we get. All right. So one thing I do notice is the box is a little bit bigger. Actually, my husband noticed it first. And I don't know if that means there's more accessories in it or if they changed their style, but it's slightly larger. I'm a little disappointed with that because it's not as environmentally friendly. Not that you're going to get rid of your boxes. They're collector items as well. But in terms of financially fiscal, it's probably not a good idea to make your boxes larger. All right. Tape off, hopefully without ripping the plastic. Okay. Over there. All right. Okay. The box looks great as well. I don't drop it on the floor. I don't want to put a ding in it. There he is. Robert De Niro in Heat. Movie made in 1995. All right. Let's see what we have. It still opens the same way, I can tell. Just shake it open a little bit. No awful tape to get off the box. The same foam cover as in the other boxes. It's well tailored too. Look at that outfit. Pretty sharp looking. Okay. Yeah. All right. So let's see what else we have in here. All right. Same setup. Yet again. 2 sets of hands. Hopefully you can see it. You can barely see it, but there are 2 hands there. Those are more like holding tighter than the trigger hands. He has the relaxed hands on him. So we got 2 sets of hands. Okay. We have a watch as well. It looks a touch bigger than the one Al Pacino had. Oh, we have glasses. Cool. So, black glasses. And let's see if there's anything. I think that's where the watch was. And we have a bag. And it feels like there's foam in it. So this is the bag that they probably use to haul the money away from the bank robberies. All right. Oh, Wait a second. I don't see a stand. I bet, okay, there. That's why it's a little larger. They did add a few more accessories. So we do have a stand, which you do come to expect now, okay, with his picture on it and the word heat over here, right? And the other part of the stand, and okay, so he has his own weapon, which is definitely firepower, right? And I think, nope, the magazine doesn't seem to come out. That's interesting. Okay, it did on the other one. And he also has another weapon. So he has a firearm as well. And this looks like it does, yeah, it folds out and in. Okay, so, of course, I always kind of hold my breath with the stands because I'm not sure if they'll go in nicely. Oh, God, that was like so easy to go in. Success. All right, like the stands. All right, let's pause now and let's get him set up so we can see him a bit closer. We are back, and he is exceptionally well dressed, just like Lieutenant Vincent Hanna was. The sharpness of the outfit is very visible. The sleeves are tight around the wrists. It's hard to find quality clothing like this on 1/6 scale figures. His face sculpt is actually quite good, and you'll see that when we get a really, really tight close-up of him. From a distance, it doesn't look as much like Robert De Niro as Al Pacino does from a distance, but again, when we get a close-up, you'll see that it is Robert De Niro. So we'll turn him this way so you can see his profile a bit better. And since there's really nothing to see in the back, we'll just turn him the other way so you can see his assault rifle a bit better. Okay. All right. I'm very pleased with this figure too. I don't like it as much as the Lieutenant Vincent Hanna one, but it's a pretty good Robert De Niro. You'll see that again when we get a tighter close-up of his face. We'll pause now and do a close-up of his upper body. You can now see more details on him. The tailoring is fantastic. He has a black outfit with stripes down the jacket and down the pants. That blue tie just stands out very nicely. The facial features are coming more clearly in view, and you can see it definitely is Robert De Niro. So we'll pause now and get a real good close-up of his face. This is a fairly good head sculpt. It may not be as good as Al Pacino's head sculpt, but when you look at this face, you do recognize Robert De Niro. It's pretty darn good. Here's one last look at both of our figures. Robert De Niro, who played Neil McCauley, and Al Pacino, who played Vincent Hanna in the movie Heat that came out in 1995. I hope you've liked what you've seen from Present Toys. If you did, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. In the meantime, everyone, have a great day.